Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to share a tweet via Messenger, Gmail and other social networking sites. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the home button down below and select the tweet that you want to share. All you have to do is tapping on this share button down below the picture or the video next to the heart icon. And as you can see, you can send it via direct message. You can send it via messages, Messenger or Gmail, or add it to your Instagram story, and you can also copy the link and share it via AirDrop and other networking sites, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.